Hi, I'm Brad Dwin of We Buy Maryland Homes, a local home buyer here in Maryland. Today I want to talk about foreclosure. If you're in a situation where you're behind on mortgage payments, I want to help you understand what that means in the simplest terms. I also want to preface this by saying that I'm not an attorney, I'm not a mortgage lender, but I do have experience helping homeowners in Maryland and across the country in foreclosure situations. In fact, I spent 10 years consulting for the mortgage industry and the nonprofit housing counseling agencies during the foreclosure crisis that started back in 2007. So I totally understand the financial and emotional drain that comes with a foreclosure situation, and I want this video to be informational so that you can make an informed decision when it comes to dealing with your biggest asset, your house. Now let's break down foreclosure in the simplest possible terms. Foreclosure is basically a process where a lender takes back a home because a homeowner stopped making mortgage payments. Now here's a quick breakdown of how the foreclosure process works in Maryland. First, there's the missed payments. If you miss your mortgage payments, your lender will typically reach out to you. Second comes a notice of default. After several missed payments, you'll receive a notice of default. And this is a formal warning that a foreclosure is definitely on the horizon. Next comes a foreclosure filing. If the situation doesn't improve, the lender can file for foreclosure in court. Now, this usually happens around 90 days of missing payments. Then comes a court hearing where you'll get your chance to present your case in front of a judge. This is very important. If you have questions now, it's time to reach out to a local attorney for advice. And finally comes the sale of the home. If the court rules in favor of the lender, the house will be sold at a public auction most likely. Now again, I'm not an attorney, but I've helped many homeowners navigate this tough situation. So if you're facing foreclosure, it's crucial to act fast. Reach out to your lender as soon as possible to discuss your options. They have programs that can catch you up on payments, or they can modify your loan. Or if you're looking for a quick solution, consider reaching out to a local, trusted home buyer who can help sell your home fast and provide you with a fresh start and some peace of mind. Remember, you're not in this alone. There's options available, and I'm here to help. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to check me out at webuymdhomes.com for more information about my company, or just give me a call at the number on the screen. Thanks for watching.